Hey everyone. So today in this video I will demonstrate you how we can install NGINX server on Mac M1. So I will be using Homebrew to install NGINX server. So I will also give you the link in the description below that how we can install Homebrew on Mac M1. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Okay, so we will open the terminal window. I will just increase the size so that it is clearly visible to you all. So we will be installing NGINX server with Homebrew, right? So I will show you that Brew is installed on my system. So you can see that Homebrew 3.2.6 is installed. So before installing NGINX server, we should update the Brew. So Brew update command will update your Homebrew. So you can see that everything is now updated. So now we have to run brew install NGINX. It will start downloading the server. The server will get downloaded quite soon and fast. Right, so NGINX server is now start. So here you can see that, right? So this is the command by which you can start your NGINX server. So let's run this command. So this message shows that NGINX server is successfully started. So let's check it out. Localhost. Usually it takes 8080. So here we can see that NGINX server is up and running. To stop that server, we can use a simple command. So brew services stop NGINX command can be used to stop the service. So if I go and refresh this page, you can see that the server is now stopped. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.